Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 18 Beta 4. We are going to talk about the quick follow-up, and we are also going to talk about what all are the bugs that I'm facing in the past few days that I'm using this update on my device. Let's get right into today's video and talk about, is it worth updating your device to iOS 18 Beta 4? Is it stable enough, and should you install this on your device? My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because I keep on making these type of videos for you guys and I don't want you guys to miss these. Alright, so let's straight away start from the battery department because that is one of the only parts which you guys are really excited about and clicked on this video. So, how is the battery life on iOS 18 Beta 4 compared to the previous beta? Is it still that bad or is it even worse? Alright, so the answer is that it is actually even a little bit worse compared to previous beta. I am barely getting half a day out of my iPhone 14 Pro. Like, that is a big thing. I am on cellular data half of the day. Like, if my day is of 7 hours of college, then I will be using cellular data, and when I will be getting back to home and use my device on Wi-Fi for a little bit, basically in around 4.5 hours of this usage in my day, in which I have my device on Apple CarPlay. And by the way, yeah, Apple CarPlay is also getting really bugged. There have been times when I have to literally restart the Apple CarPlay, disconnect it and connect it again, or restart my iPhone in order to use location because Google Maps and Apple Maps are just not responding. So those are one of the most irritating bugs, and the battery life is actually really bad compared to earlier, about 10% worse compared to earlier. So yeah, if you are planning on installing this update, just stay away from it because the battery life is just terrible. In terms of stability, it is actually pretty stable compared to iOS 18 Beta 3. If I compare it to that version, which was not stable at all, this is a little bit stable compared to it. I have not encountered any resprings, which I was encountering a lot and really often on the previous beta. So I have not yet encountered any respring or any such things like that. But yeah, it is much better than that. And I do see this update getting better and better with every single update. So let's hope, fingers crossed, that the next update that we are going to have, that is iOS 18 Beta 5, it is going to give us better battery life as well, alongside stability and bug fixes. Not to forget, we are also wanting to get new wallpapers and new features on iOS 18 because on iOS 18 Beta 4, it was kind of boring update. We did not really had anything major in terms of features. So yeah, there is that. Let's see and let's wait for the iOS 18 Beta 5 and see what Apple has for us on the table. All in all, in general and in conclusion, if I had to conclude and talk about the iOS 18 Beta 4 in general and should you install it on your device, I would strictly say no. It is too early right now to install it on your device. It is just the 4th beta and you should probably wait, if not till September, probably wait for the beta 7 at least and then install it on your device. And even then, just avoid installing it on your primary device, and if you are still gonna install it, make sure that your data is backed up because there have been times when even I have lost my data because of these beta updates and my phone was just not responding, so I had to just restart my device and just reset it. So yeah, you should make sure to back up your device if you're planning on installing this update or any iOS beta. That is pretty much it for today's quick little episode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. It really means a lot to me if you have watched till the end. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.